Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the numbering points for your important key points on your LibreOffice writer on your computer. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the numbering points in your LibreOffice writer. So to insert the numbering points on your LibreOffice writer, you have this points. I just have 5 points like a pen, chart, shape, line, or like another point like a rubber. Okay, we just added a more point. So here we have a 5 points. I just need to have important points or key points numbering here. So first you just need to select the thing you just need to number. So I just first select the 3 thing. Okay, so you have this numbering tool on the top of the downloader, and it's you have this, just click this, you have a number. You can just select everything, you just click this, you can just insert numbering. This is how we just insert numbering. You have a different type of numbering here. You just select it and just click this. You can just change this like this, or otherwise you can just change the rows like that. This is how we just insert numberings on your LibreOffice writer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.